GardenCAD is a software application specifically designed for use by landscapers. I've started the program here and opened one of the sample files that you'll find in the Drawings folder. It's a computer-aided design program, so it has all the tools to enable you to, say, for the sake of argument, draw lines. And you can see I'm about to draw a line nearly 6 meters long, straight up, which is at an angle of 0, and then I could draw a line at 45 degrees to that, and so on. All the other tools that you would expect in a CAD program, like drawing an arc or a circle, nominating a center and a radius, are all there. But the important thing is that the symbology and symbols you need for computer-aided design are already in the drawing and in the drawing environment. So if, for the sake of argument, I decided to select those 3 symbols and erase them, and maybe erase this larger symbol here to give us a little more room, and I want to redesign in that area there, I can go to the library, plant selector, and I can say, well, I'm interested in some ground cover in that area there, and just scroll down through the ground cover symbols and place them in that zone. If it was, say, medium shrubs that I was interested in, you can see I've got the ability to scroll up and down through a wide range of symbols. So let's bring that one into the drawing, and when we select it, in it comes appropriately sized. So if we use the distance indicator to go from there to there, you can see it's a shrub about 1.2 meter in canopy size. So this is an area, fairly small area, for backyard area. Let's just test. It's 10 meters by about 13 meters. So there's a decking area, a pergola over a lawned area with a tree in the middle, and over here is a plant schedule showing you the names of the species in the design. So you can put some text in the design as we've done there, and so on. So that's a if you like, a bird's eye view of a landscape design, and you're hovering over it and looking down on it in plan view. To present the design, you would swing to Pages and select a page, and in this case I've got a page called A3 Landscape at 1 to 100, and here we are. This simulates the white background on a drawing sheet and includes a logo and site details for this particular design, and we could stamp that with the statement, this is a scale of 1 to 100. If we leave the design for that rear courtyard or small rear garden open and go to File and Open and return back to our Drawings folder, and you might well put the work that you're doing in that Drawings folder, we can pick any additional drawing. Let's pick this one, which is for a small classroom area, and I can swing from one drawing to another just by clicking on the window drop down and go from one to the other. You can have, depending on the power of your computer, I guess, quite a large number of designs. When you click on the design in the list there, you'll see a snapshot of what's in the design. So here's courtyard, another courtyard design, a rear design for what might be a rear area with a circular paved area, some stepping stones leading, and so on. So can you see that you can have multiple drawings open at once? The examples we've used so far are of relatively small areas, but if we pick one called a GIS example, you can see now we're dealing with a very, very large site indeed, and we're filling what are called polyline areas with colour. So you can work on large sites or small sites, and the response will be pretty much the same. The tools are all there for you to create drawings of this type and to manipulate them.